hello. Let's do Tropic designs. Thought it was dead. The other week, I was going through my old Pinterest. I mean, look at some inspiration, and I was thinking, I want to do some like motorsports, motocross, racing, that kind of stuff. So went through Pinterest. I like the advertisements for racing, NASCAR, motorsport, pit bikes, stuff like that. So I was just spent a couple hours an evening just designing, recreating, stealing ideas. I ordered 3 t-shirts, 3 different materials, 3 different designs. Thought I'd give it a test. So this video will be me showing you those designs and my thoughts on them. So my golf clubs, I play golf now. I did 167 on a 18 course golf course, but par is 67, no, 74, I think 74, something like that. Well, it was my first time, so I thought, yeah. Plus golf fashion is quite cool at the moment. Golf. Man's sponsored by United Emirates, isn't it? Most people think golf's expensive. This outfit cost me £13. Oi, boss man, run me that wallet, yeah? Cherry shop polo, slides into shorts, fat batty on it. Golf. Anyway, we're not here for golf, we're for Tropic Season 21 Racing Collection. Made 3 designs. Kapow! Shazam! Skaboosh! So the first design is the... which one should we go for first? Let's do Tropic Racing. So it's Japanese inspired, JDM and Mazda 2 1.5 Sport model. I'm not sure if it actually says Tropic in Japanese, but it's just the font I found. Who knows? I'm not Japanese, so I can't find out. Don't know anyone who's Japanese, apart from James. First design, Tropic Racing. Nice strong red Tropic in Japanese with a racing going through it. A couple lines underneath. I think it looks quite smart. It's centered just below the neck, top chest. I'll show you now. This is Tropic Racing. Nice white tee, medium fit. It's pretty small of a bicep, so it makes you look fucking massive. I think it's one of my favourite tees. There is a like undisclosed winner. Out of all of them, I think this one is possibly my favourite. Just because of how simple and elegant it is. I think it's just nice, classic Japanese racing, even though it might not say Tropic in Japanese. It's a heavy cotton. Feels nice to wear on, but it does feel a bit tight, a bit dry. I'm not a fan of thin, weak, like cheap cotton. Should we save undisclosed winner till last, or do we bring it out next? Okay, so I've got a white, and a black shirt. So let's do white, black, white. Let's do an inverted Oreo. So the black one. Bang, 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 bang. It is Tropic Motor Oil, red and yellow, with a left side chest piece. There was going to be a big back design, but that was not in budget. Small, elegant advertiser design. It looks like it could be worn in the next. Well, it looks vintage. It looks quite. I'll see it in a charity shop. I'll be like, yeah. That's a nice find. Yeah, it's a nice design, simple, elegant, gets the job done. And it looks legit. It looks like it should be a motor oil company. Let's check the fit. This is the Tropic Motor Oil. Yeah, it already looks quite distressed and vintage-like. It feels a lot better, but I did notice while putting it on that there's these little tufts up here. Not really a fan of that, but otherwise it fits very nice. It feels better than that one, except from the shoulders up here. I think it just got massive shoulders. It's quite. I have to sometimes go in sideways into doors just hit the walls. When I don't think about it, I just leave holes in the side of a door frame. It's an inconvenience. Very expensive habit to have. Yeah, I would like a another like similar design but on the back. That'd be quite nice. It's another heavy cotton, just so it feels more cozy, fits better. Overall, probably give this an 8. First one, also an 8. 7 maybe. This one an 8. The next one, I've used the brand before, just as like a white shirt, a daily shirt, smart shirt. But this time I've got some print on it. It already looks high quality and looks well done. I think this could be a personal favourite for most people. So it's my lock screen on my phone at the moment. It's just iconic. But then I taxed it. So let's get the next one out. Here's the Michelin Man Tropic design. I realised that I have sent off the wrong design. This is a first edit, and then I'll show you. Bang, 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 bang. And then, yeah, I made a first design, which is this one. Did not submit the amended design with the correct font and styling of the words. It's supposed to be like a chunkier font and more in line with the rectangle. But out of all of them, this is the most comfiest t-shirt. It is a bit more expensive than the other two, but I think it's definitely worth the price on it. It's just so soft, so comfy. I think the other one I had was a bit bigger than this. It was like an oversized, and it fits the arms better. More pit room, more shoulder space, and it just sits a lot nicer. But the comfort of this shirt is just unparalleled to what I've wore. So some would say it's comfier than Supreme because they just use cheap and pump them out. Really good. Happy stuff. I'm definitely going to try and trip more of these because I'm really happy with them. Yeah, it's coming home. England. England. Oh, that's short. Yeah. So thanks for watching this video. It's been a while, really. Yeah, thanks for watching this. Thanks for coming. I'm not going to say hopefully more videos to come. Let's hope there's some more videos to come. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram. I spam my stories. Go to my TikTok. Please go to my TikTok. TikTok's fun. I can just spam that. Yeah, if you want videos, go to TikTok. This is just for when I feel like getting the big boy out. With TikTok, I can just use my phone and my little camera. If you want videos, go to TikTok. Yeah, thanks again. Like, subscribe. Cheers, mate. Cheers. It's coming home. It's coming home.
Rock the house.